Welcome back to my channel, S&G with me, AV. You know what? I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section below. Do you guys like when I say S&G with AB, or do you like it with Smoking and Grilling with AB? Hey, with that being said, listen, you guys read that title. You know what? You done seen that thumbnail, and I got a good one for you for this Soul Food Sunday. Check it out. I want you guys to take a look down this way. I'm getting ready to show you guys just how easy it is to make. You guys know what this is for all you okra lovers. That's right. We're getting ready to make ourselves some fried okra. Hey, with that being said, let's go over these ingredients, what little bit of ingredients it is, and let's get it. Everything on this cutting board right here, minus the, the pepper and the salt, right? This is all the ingredients. You gotta have some fresh, okra. Don't forget, the ingredient list will be down in the description box below. So now let's get it. So right here, I got some vegetable oil. Right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in my Dutch oven. You guys can use a cast iron skillet. You know what I mean? It's that time of the year that I go ahead and start using the Dutch oven. Look, I just wanna pour enough oil in here just to coat about 1 inch. That's all we need, just 1 inch off of the bottom, right? While that's heating up, check it out. Look, I already got my milk, and then I'm gonna use my egg, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and crack this, put this inside like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my whisk, and I'm just gonna whisk everything together right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a pinch of salt here, right? Just a pinch, because we want everything to have a little flavor, and add a little fresh black pepper. Now we'll set this off to the side. Oil's coming up. We just went ahead and whisked our, look, that's our wet station, right? Now we finna keep it old school, do it just like Granny used to do. So I got myself a paper bag. Love having a paper bag, right? So now we're gonna take our flour, our Creole Kick. Now, if you guys don't have Creole Kick, you know what I mean, or you just bought it, you waiting on it, or you're gonna get it after this, listen, you can use old-fashioned salt and pepper. But I promise you, the main thing, you gotta season your flour. When your flour, I'm gonna keep beating the dead horse so you guys get it. Listen, the flour has to be tasty in order for your end result to be tasty. So we got that. So now I'm gonna take 2 pinches. Because listen, we just wanna wake it up just a little bit, right? And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the pepper, and we just finna grind a little bit. Those are from my era, my time. Take it back to Big Mama. Y'all remember this? You young people, you might not even know what a paper bag is. This might be a thing of the past. No, I'm just joking. But check it out. You got the one in the regular grocery store bags or whatever, those work too. But for me, I'm just trying to keep it nostalgia. You know what I mean? Just like this. There we go. Now I'm gonna take a look. Now I'm just gonna go here and just taste a little bit to find out, do I need any more seasoning? I can tell you it's gonna take a little bit more seasoning and maybe another dash of salt. Now the last thing we gotta do is we just wanna prep the okra. So, you can look at it like salmon. Let me just explain it this way. You see this thin part over here? This gonna be cooked way faster than the center part, right? So for me, I go about right here where it's starting to taper down. I cut that off. You guys can do whatever you wanna do with that. And then here, I cut the head off too. You can see the color too. It's a little bit lighter green, gets more and more green as it goes down, but I just cut about that much off of there. You wanna cut these at about the same, not about, as close as possible to the same size, right? You guys look at that. I'll put them like this so you guys can see. Look, that's what we want, the same width. This way they'll all be ready about the same time once you put them inside. I just checked my oil. I was at 369 degrees, and it's kind of like rising, right? I'm gonna leave it like that, but it's rising slow. We wanna have 375. So this is what we're gonna do. Now that we got all of the okra cut, I'm just gonna take these and just add them inside of here just like this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just make sure they all submerge, get them nicely coated. And then from here, I'm gonna take them out, drip them, and then I'm gonna put them inside of the bag with our seasoned flour, right? Once you get enough for a batch, just go ahead and close your bag, and now we get down like old school. And I'm gonna get a few of these. Now, what this does is, I'm gonna hold it up like this. Hopefully I don't get it everywhere. If I shake it like that, look how it sifts through, and we get rid of all the excess. Uh-oh. We got one trying to get away. But check it out, folks. I got some grease with his name on it. And then we come over here, and what we're gonna do is, now look, I'm gonna lay this in the inside just like that. They kind of like gonna splash because I don't want to get this wet, right? Because we're going back in there. So we'll just add them just like that. Now I'll just move these around so they're not touching each other, and we're just gonna let them cook. This process right here doesn't take long, folks. You just want them to come to, like, when they become golden brown, then we're just gonna take them out. I'm gonna say it only takes about 1.5 minutes at 375 degrees. Now I got myself another strainer, and this one's a little bit on the bigger side. I'm liking these. And I want to tell you this too, right off the back, if you season your flour properly, once you put them in here, the aromatic that come off of that, once that flour starts to cook, is incredible. I want you guys to take a look at that right there. Get up close and personal with it. You see those right there? Them some soul food bite-sized treats right there. You guys just seen all of the, like, I guess we just call that the food porn 101. You seen all of that? You guys got a chance to see, like, the bread on here. And I told you, once your flour is seasoned properly and you put it in there and that hot grease gets on it, just the aromatic from that right there is just fire. Let you know you've done it right. Hey, with that being said, listen, I've been, snacking on these. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab another one. I'm gonna grab two, because look, they're so small. Cheers, y'all. I gotta hit it again, folks. I got it, folks. It just ain't fair. Hey, listen, this is my entry this week for Soul Food Sunday. Hey, listen, and check it out. It's game time too, so look, this is a twofer. You guys got a little bit of that soul food by doing the okra, and check it out. This is really, truly an appetizer. Hey, especially if you guys gonna put this out in front of your family with the holidays right now. Everybody in your kitchen, everybody sitting around the kitchen. You make these first, put these out, everybody can snack. These go great with even ranch. You know what I mean? You can do some kind of Cajun dip. Whatever your favorite dip is, you can add that. But if you ask me, these is fire, just like this, if you season your flour right. Now, check this out. We're using the hashtag Soul Food Sunday, right? Listen, you guys can put that in the search bar on YouTube, and you can see all of the people that have, did anything with, as far as Soul Food Sunday goes. Don't forget, it's myself, Soul Food Cooking, and then this week, check it out, we got a new person getting in. His name is CJ. It's Cooking with CJ. Go by, check him out. Don't forget to tell everybody you guys seen this, and if you guys want to get in on it too, you can. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and tell everybody out there, right? Listen, it's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. With that being said, folks, I'm gonna grab another one, and I'm out. Peace.